Why does your stomach suddenly growl right when you're trying to focus? It's not you being weird, it's your gut being loud on a schedule. When you go a while without eating, your digestive system still moves. That clearing motion can make noises, especially if you're sitting still, stressed or talking less. Stress is a big one because it changes how your brain and gut communicate. Also, coffee, skipping water, and a long screen binge can make it worse by messing with your normal hunger and digestion signals. Here's the easy part. Try drinking a glass of water, take one real breathing break, and do a quick snack reset like yogurt, nuts, or fruit if you haven't eaten in a while. Not because you have to, but because your body hates being ignored. Educational only, not medical advice. What's your most embarrassing growl moment, and what usually fixes it for you? Follow for daily body facts.